Dharnas and protests are nothing new in India, especially in Tamil Nadu. But this one stands out because it involves senior citizens aged around 65 to 85 years, retired officers who spend their entire lives serving the Chennai port and contributing to India's growth. And today their voices are barely heard. For over 10 years, these pensioners have been requesting justice. Letters, appeals, representatives, all unanswered. So, yesterday, more than 100 elderly officers gathered at the Chennai Port Administrative Office near Pillayar Kovil, and leading the Dharna was a 87-year-old engineer P.N. Gopal who can't even stand without support anymore, yet still came forward. And honestly, this is something that truly deserves national attention. They stood under the hot sun, not with anger, but with hope. They were there not to shout, not to block roads, but simply to sit in silence, hoping someone would finally notice their struggles with pension, salaries, and basic medical needs. So here are the long pending concerns. They're asking the ministry to update their pay the same way other big ports like Mumbai and Kandla already did back in 2017. If others got it, Chennai Port should get it too, that's all they are saying. Minimum pension should be 50% of the lost drawn salary, and this should apply to VRS, special VRS and technical resignation officers as well, without linking it to 33 years of service, just like the central government already follows. People who retired between 2012 were supposed to get 17.5% special pay added to their basic pay. It's been pending for years, so they are asking the ministry to finally approve it. During COVID, the government stopped giving DA dearance allowances. Prices have gone up. Pensioners need the support now more than ever. Most of these retirees are 70 to 85 years old. They need easier access to medical care, hospitals, and support, especially at this age. Rupees 1,000 per month for medical expenses is not enough today. They are asking to rise it to 2,000, just like what class 3 and 4 employees get. Officers who are still working haven't received their salary revision from 1/1/2022, but other categories have. So they are asking for the same update, nothing extra. Another pay revision is due in 2027. They want the government to start the process early so it doesn't get delayed for years. They're asking the chairman to meet the Pensioners Association every 3 months so that their problems can be heard on time. And that's it. Nothing extra, nothing unreasonable. They're asking what is fair. These are officers who work day and night for the Chennai port, who handled cargo, ships, workers, machinery and crisis, who built the very foundation of what the port is today. Now, in their old age, they are left fighting for basic dignity. Their message is simple. To the ministry, to the Chennai Port Authority, please listen and please act. The pensioners spend their entire youth working for our nation. They deserve respect, not delays. They deserve dignity, not silence. Standing with our elders isn't just respect. It's how we shape a better tomorrow for all of us. To everyone watching out there, share this and spread the word. Let us amplify their voices because they stood alone for too long. For every voices that's been ignored, we are here. Tune in and subscribe to File in Media to hear stories that deserve to be heard.